Before we begin the highly anticipated fireside chat on the theme Account Aggregator and the India Growth Story, we will first unveil Sahamati's latest paper on the impact of open finance on MSMEs, developed in partnership with McKinsey and Company. For this, we have Ms. Shalini Gupta, Head of Strategy and Policy at Sahamati, to provide a brief backdrop of the report.
So good afternoon to the entire account aggregator Nandan ecosystem. I'll start by recapping the vision behind the AA framework. Actually, it has been recapped many times, but I'll still repeat it because it's like an anthem for Team Sahamati. The vision is to empower consumers and enterprises with their data to be able to access affordable financial services, driving financial inclusion across the country. In just 3 years, the framework has been used by around 8% of the India's population. And to put the number in perspective, it is already at 1/5 of the number of UPI users in the country. And what is also... And it is also heartening to note that there is a significant increase in customer awareness and comfort with the account aggregator system. We did a recent survey with CGAP and will be presenting the findings in the subsequent sessions, where customers have now started recognizing account aggregator as a regulated framework. So while last year that number was just 10%, this time the survey said 30-35% of the consumers do recognize what account aggregator framework is, and that's a big movement forward. The framework is already transforming the financial sector. We've seen more than 10 powerful use cases coming up. It all started with underwriting and personal financial management. But the way it has come up in risk management, various forms of risk management, fraud control, end-use monitoring, mule account monitoring, early warning signals, and credit limit enhancements using account aggregator, the list is just endless. And it all shows that the innovation comes from the financial sector. I mean, some use cases we could not even have thought about like a year back, and when they come to us, we're like, wow, this can also be done by the framework. The best part is that the framework has now entered into the strategy boardrooms of large and small financial institutions, redefining their products, delivery, customer experiences, and economics. And once it is there, I'm sure from top to bottom is a journey that will take its own course. We've also seen a few early wins in the financial inclusion space. Be it unsecured business loan, loan against property for MSMEs, small ticket loans for blue-collared workers, street vendors, but all of that is limited. MSMEs still 20% of the total loans dispersed through AA. The average ticket size is 13 lakh, which is nowhere near the financially excluded segment of the country. The AA framework, when it was launched, one of the primary objective was to unlock cash flow-based lending for MSME, and that is yet to take off, despite GST being available on account aggregator, banking data being made available in AA. So the feedback from the lender is that the data availability is still patchy. The data they need to underwrite MSMEs for underwriting is still not there. So you need to ensure that account aggregator becomes a single channel access for all data that is required for MSME underwriting. And hence, there is a lot more to be done, particularly in terms of unlocking credit and financial services for more than 6.5 crore MSMEs, who are the backbone of our country and employ more than 20 crore people today. The estimated gap in access to formal finance for MSMEs is at 65%, and it is even more pronounced for unregistered informal enterprises, which are estimated to be around 5 crore plus. In terms of value, we are at 40 to 45 lakh crore of annual credit gap. Lack of collateral, cumbersome requirements, and long processing times are the key barriers. Very intuitive for all of us to say that pricing is perhaps the biggest barrier, and MSMEs actually quote that they're not as price sensitive as they are time sensitive in terms of getting access to credit. And in today's world where almost everyone has a digital footprint, we definitely believe that account aggregator system can be transformational in removing and reducing many of these barriers. So to capture the potential role of the account aggregator ecosystem in unlocking MSME credit, we had collaborated with McKinsey to write a white paper on open finance from inclusion to empowerment of MSMEs. This paper captures the challenges the MSMEs face in accessing credit and outlines how the AA framework, when sufficiently supported, because right now it's not in a state where it can scale up for MSME credit, can drive MSMEs towards growth and formalization at an accelerated pace. So I would not like to give out more details on the report. We'll request you to engage with the findings of the report, join us in the mission of empowering MSMEs. With this, I would like to thank Mr. Nandan Nilekani for the inspiration behind the report, Mr. R. Gandhi for his guidance, several industry experts for their inputs, and the McKinsey teams for their insights. We'll like to follow up this white paper with a detailed report in the coming few weeks. I would now invite Mr. Nandan Nilekani to launch the white paper along with Mr. Mahesh and team McKinsey on the stage. Thank you.